To get started with eBay Live as a seller, begin by understanding the basics of the platform. eBay Live is a feature that allows sellers to broadcast live video to potential buyers, showcasing their products and interacting with customers in real time. First, ensure you have a compatible device, such as a smartphone or tablet, and a stable internet connection. You will also need to download the eBay app and have an eBay seller account. Next, navigate to the eBay app and click on the Sell button. Then select the option to create a new listing. Choose the Live option and select the category and title for your live stream. Add a brief description of the items you will be showcasing and set a start time for your live stream. Before going live, prepare your items and make sure they are clean and well lit. Test your audio and video to ensure they are working properly. Consider having a friend or family member assist you with the live stream to help with questions and comments. Once you are ready, click the Start Live button and begin showcasing your items. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and answering questions. Be sure to clearly describe each item, including its condition, price, and any additional features. To increase engagement, offer exclusive deals or discounts to viewers who purchase items during the live stream. You can also use the live stream to provide additional information about your products, such as demonstrations or tutorials. After the live stream, follow up with viewers who expressed interest in purchasing items and respond to any additional questions or comments. Be sure to also update your listings to reflect any items that were sold during the live stream. Best practices for eBay Live include being authentic and transparent, providing clear and concise descriptions of your items, and engaging with your viewers. Consider offering loyalty discounts to repeat customers and utilizing social media to promote your live streams. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully utilize eBay Live as a seller and increase your sales and customer engagement. Remember to stay up to date with eBay's policies and guidelines for live streaming and to continuously improve your live stream quality and content.